Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today we are going to study very easy topic, and that is action words and singular plural. Action words are also called verbs. So let's see what are verbs or what are action words. Action words show what we do or express actions. Now in these two pictures you can see that the girl is eating a burger and the boy is playing with the football. So both of them are performing an action. So these action words are called verbs. For example, sit, stand, eat, drink, play, etc. are all example of action words. Exercise is, let's solve this exercise. I have highlighted already the action words with the blue color. You can see, underline the action words in the following sentences. The spider climbs up the thread. Now climbs is an action word. What is spider? Spider is a subject, climbs is a verb, and thread is object. So whenever you write a sentence, there are three components. Or for writing a sentence, you need three components. First is the subject, second comes the verb, and the third is object. So this is the sequence of writing a sentence. Always we are having subject at the first and then the verb. So verb comes, or at the action words, they come after the subject. Like spider is the subject and climbs is a action word or a verb. So after subject comes verbs. Look at the second example. The dog jumps over the log. Now dog is a subject and jumps is an action word. And here you must also notice this, that if your subject is singular, we are using s or es with the verb. For example, we are talking about one spider, so we have used s with the verb. The spider climbs. The dog is singular, so we have used s with the verb jumps. The dog jumps. The puppies bark in the morning. Now in this sentence you can see puppies, it's plural, subject is plural, so we are not using s with the verb. Bark is singular. Noor goes for a walk daily. Now Noor is a girl and it is singular, so we have used es with go. So the verb becomes goes. Noor goes for a walk daily. My father works in a bank. Father is singular, so we have used s with the verb. My father works in a company. Second exercise, now you have to solve it yourself. First I'm going to read out and then you can pause the video, just complete the sentences and then check the answers. The helping verbs or the verbs action words, they are already given to you. Maha dash her room, they dash storybooks, we dash others, Amir dash with his toys, Saad dash a letter to his mother, and Maha's mother dash tasty food. Now while filling these sentences, you must keep this in your mind, that how you have to use action words. You have to see that if your subject is singular, then which verb or how you are going to use the verb, s, or you are going to use s or es with the verb or not. So let's check the answer. Maha cleans her room. Now here in this sentence you can see Maha is singular and cleans, we have used s with the verb. Maha cleans her room. They read story books. Now they is plural, so we haven't used s with the verb read. So this is they read storybooks. If it is she or he, then we must have written she reads storybooks. But this is plural, so we are going to say they read storybooks. We help others. Amir plays with his toys. Saad writes a letter to his mother. Maha's mother cooks tasty food. Now in last three sentences you can see the subject is singular. Amir, Saad, Maha's mother, they are all singular. So we have used s with the verb. Plays, writes, cooks. So I hope this is easy for you. You just have to keep this thing in your mind, that if your subject is singular, then you will use s or es with the verb. But if it is plural, then you will not use s or es with the verb. So these are called the action words. Now coming up to singular plural, we will see what is singular and what is plural. It is you already know the difference, and let me tell you. Singular nouns refer to one person or thing, for example, a plant, a glass, etc. Now singular means one, single means one, so singular is coming from the word single. So this you can see the flower, it is only one, so this is singular noun. Girl, there is only one girl, it is singular noun. And bird, singular noun. Now what is plural? Plural nouns refer to more than one person or thing. For example, two plants, two glasses, etc. In the picture, it is very visible. Now, there is only one apple, so this is a single apple. It's a singular noun. But if you are having two apples, you are going to use plural. This will become plural nouns because we are having two apples. So we have used s with the word with the noun. Sorry. So in order to make singular into plural, you just have to use s or es with the verb. So let's see, there's a list over here. You can see that there are some words with which we use s, and there are some words with which we use es. So you have to learn these words like book, books, boy, boys, bird, birds, coat, coats, tree, trees, park, parks, chair, chairs, radio, radios. Now in all these words we just put s with the noun, so they become plural. Now we will see the list with which we are going to use es with the verb. For example, bush, bush, bushes, glass, glasses, box, boxes. Excuse me. Yes, match, matches, and dish, dishes. So that's how you just have to learn that if the word is ending with sh, ss, x, ch, then you have to use es with the verb. There are some exceptional cases also, but mostly if the word is ending with sh, s, ss, x, or ch, we use es at the end. So this is all about singular and plural, that how you can make a noun into singular and plural. This is not about the verb, it is about the noun. How you can make noun into singular and plural by adding s or es. There are some also words with which we use ies. We will learn them later. Okay, thank you so much. If you have learned anything, do like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.